you become TikTok famous, just text us.
I'll tag you. Okay,
thanks. Tanning in the October in Istanbul.
While everybody else is shivering.
Yes, that's it. And just like we have some small PR presents for you. Yeah, just like a skincare kind of thing.
Oh wow, thank you so much.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're here with Jennifer and we're going to talk about her process for the chit chat videos. So hi Jennifer.
Hi there, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good.
Okay, so Jennifer is one of our old gastric sleeve patients. She had her operation like when? How many?
July 2020.
Okay,
so just in amongst COVID.
Really?
Yeah.
So how many kgs you have lost?
I've lost 30 kgs.
Oh my God.
I was 100, went down to 70 and have managed to maintain it for the last year.
It's pretty good, like 2 months. So you changed a lot, we can say.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, now she came back to Turkey for the plastic surgeries to feel more confident, feel more relaxed with her body. So we're going to ask her opinions, like how was the process?
It was really good. So obviously I knew that as soon as I realized that there was plastic surgery sort of under the Dr HE umbrella, and I'd spoken to a friend of mine who'd been back as well. She also had surgery with me in July. She came back sort of a year later and had her surgery done. So highly recommended that I should come and do it. So yeah, looked into it, obviously did a couple of inquiries with them, sent pictures, all done on WhatsApp, just like the last time. Made my decision to come and do it, booked the flights and arrived. Decided to go for a tummy tuck and liposuction because of the excess skin after losing all the weight. So yeah, that's the reason why I came back. So it was really easy.
Yeah, it's really nice to see you in here again. Also, like, how was the surgery process? Like, did you get a bit scared off or just did it went well for you?
I think before coming I was really nervous because I came by myself. The last time I was here I did have someone with me, so it's always nice to have someone, but it was really good this time. I mean, even though I was on my own, I felt really well supported by all the staff, the nurses, everyone around. I landed pretty early in the morning, even after my flight was delayed, and the driver sort of messaged me as soon as I landed, said he was on his way, so really good communication. Waited for him to collect me from outside, so within 15 minutes I was from the airport to the hospital, got checked in. Within sort of the next 15-20 minutes, I had my client liaison officer Nora attend to me, all the documents, making the payment, and then seeing Dr. Golden. So that was about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I think I was in surgery just after 9. So it was really quick. But you know what? It's actually better because I think if I sitting by myself, like, sort of wondering,
to think about a lot about
exactly, like nerves would have sort of, I suffer with anxiety anyway.
Thinking the worst sceneries.
Well, exactly. You don't really know, and I think there's so many horror stories around liposuction and surgery. So, yeah. I mean, next minute I was like waking up, and I just heard my name.
And just like, get skinny, and that's it.
I know. They were like, Jennifer, and I was like, whoa, like I couldn't believe it. It was so quick. And then I was really tired. Obviously, I mean, it had been like a really late night flight anyway, so I was quite exhausted. And then next minute I sort of, was awake and having something to eat, and then they were getting me up and saying, come, let's go for a walk. I mean, that was obviously, that was quite hectic, but I managed to walk around the room, got back into bed, had a good night's sleep, and by the next day I was feeling sort of as right as rain,
Really?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's pretty good.
I was really good.
You're just like so energetic, by the way. Maybe it's just because of that, but it's not that much, scary scenarios after liposuction or other kind of surgeries.
No.
People are mostly thinking more horrible things.
Exactly. I think because, you think, wow, it's such a major surgery.
Yeah.
But obviously having gone through the gastric sleeve surgery, which
one is harder, like the gastric sleeve or liposuction? The truth answer.
No, honestly, they're so different. The gastric sleeve, obviously, because it's done keyhole surgery, there's no actual sort of like slicing and dicing, so to speak, and then going back in now and having this, they're sort of on a par in a way. I think I've probably recovered a lot quicker, actually, funny enough, from this surgery.
Okay.
I felt like I was sort of up a bit quicker, walking a lot more, energy. My energy levels are really high. Obviously,
maybe it's just because of the mental also, where you're just like mentally ready for the surgery.
And I think because I'm on my own as well, I have to sort of suck it up and just get on with it.
Sure,
you know.
can be.
So, and the weather's been really good. I think last time I came, it was summer, so it was really warm. So
Yes.
I would recommend coming when it's a little bit cooler to Turkey.
Yeah, it's just like a really important detail for
exactly.
the patients.
I mean, it's like 20 degrees outside. I mean, I think all the Turkish people are feeling cold, but I'm
yes,
it's like
okay.
summer
rather than England. Yeah, it's just like pretty cold nowadays. Also, like we feel a bit dizzy and just wearing coats, some kind of things.
Exactly. I've got my sunglasses on and my t-shirt.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like,
ready to go to the swim kind of things. Oh, it's great. So we're just like really happy to see you here also. So you had a great time with Dr. Güllen.
Yep.
So you say I'm recommending it kind of thing. So,
definitely.
So do you have anything to say to the patients who are, willing to have their surgeries, mostly the plastic ones? Just like 3 sentences, like why they have to choose us.
Only 3?
Yes, just only 3.
I just think, that you're not a number. You are a person, you're an individual. And I mean, I reached out to Dr. Mehmet when I arrived here and told him I was here. And I mean, I haven't obviously seen him in over 2 years, and he came and visited me in the hospital. So
just like
it was really, really nice to see. It was really good to see him. And Dr. Golden's absolutely lovely. I mean, she speaks English perfectly, which is always great.
No communication
problems. I would
problems.
say, if you're thinking about it, do it.
Thank you. That's it. Even no 3 sentences, you just like said in only once. Like if you want it, that's just like do it. It's okay. So that's it. Yeah, it's great. So I hope just going to see you on more healthier tomorrow. So everything's going to be very much beautiful for you. You're just like a so energetic and beautiful person.
Oh,
but
thanks.
I think everything is going to be much more better for you and feel more confident, smile more, and just don't
become
forget
TikTok famous.
Yes, become TikTok famous. Hollywood famous. If you become TikTok famous, just text us. Maybe
I'll tag you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Just don't forget us in any social media account, and that's it. And be healthy. We don't want anything more.
No, absolutely.
Okay. So thank you so much for just like attending our chit chat and sharing your experiences.
No, for sure.
Oh, okay.
No
Thank
problem.
you. That's it. And just like we have some small pure presents for you. Yeah, just like a skincare kind of thing.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sure.
Wow.
You can just like open it and maybe look after it.
Yeah.
If you want. Okay.
Yeah. Cool. I'll keep it.
Okay. Just like it's just skincare products.
Okay.
And that's it. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.